Dear students, observe the concept that is the lengths of common tangents. Actually, common tangents are two types. One is a direct common tangent, other one is a transverse common tangent. That's why if a line, that means for a line, the two circles touch on the same side to the line, then the line is called direct common tangent. So this is the line and these two circles touch the line on the same side. That's why this is the direct common tangent in case 1. Now we are going to transverse common tangents. So for a line, two circles touch the line on the both sides, opposite sides, then the line is called transverse common tangents. That's why in this case, this is the transverse common tangents. Now we have to find the lengths. In first case, observe here where the line touch the circles at 2 points, the distance between the 2 points is called, that means the distance between the point of contacts is called length of direct common tangent. Same here also, where the line touch the two circles at 2 point of contacts there, the distance between the point of contacts is nothing but here also length of common tangent. Here it is length of transverse common tangent, here it is length of direct common tangents. That's why we have to take two different circles with the centers. Here is C1 and it is C2 and R1 and here it is R2. Okay, now we have to take a line which is parallel to the line joining the centers, that is AP. So distance between centers is taken as D, then AP is also D. Now this part is R1, now this part is also R1. So PC2 is R2. Now BPC2 is R2, since this is the radius of the second circle. Now this part BP is that is R2 minus R1. Now observe APB is a right angle triangle at right angle at B. That's why from triangle APB, where right angle at B, where according to the Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square plus PB square is equal to AP square. Now from this, AB square is equal to AP square minus PB square. Now from this, AB square is equal to, what is AP square? AP square is nothing but the distance between the centers, so that is D square, minus PB. PB is R2 minus R1. That's why R2 minus R1 whole square. So here AB is equal to square root of D square minus A minus B whole square or B minus C whole square, no problem. Here it is R1 minus R2 whole square. Therefore, length of direct common tangent is equal to square root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. That's why this length is square root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. That is the length of the direct common tangent. Okay. That's why length of direct common tangent is simply LODCT, length of direct common tangent. Now we have to find the length of transverse common tangent from second case. Here also same, observe. This is the line joining C1, C2, its length is D. Now we have to take a line parallel to C1, C2, that is PB. So its length is also D. That's why this part is R1. So this part is R2, that's why it is R2. Now total length of AP is sum of them, R1 plus R2. Now from triangle APB, where right angle at A, that's why from triangle APB, right angle at A. That is same from Pythagoras theorem. Here it is, that is, what is that? AB square plus AP square is equal to PB square PB square. Okay, AP square, here it is AB square plus PB square is equal to PB square. Now from this one, AB square is equal to PB square minus AP square, PB square minus AP square, right? Now from this, AB square is equal to AB square is equal to, what is AB square? Here it is PB square. PB square is D square. D square minus, what is AP square? AP is nothing but this part is R1, this part is R2. That is R1 plus R2 whole square. That's why AB is equal to square root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. Therefore, length of transverse common tangent is equal to square root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. So this is called square root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. That is length of transverse common tangent. Now we have to do the question on this concept. Now, lengths of common tangents of the circles x square plus y square is equal to 6x and x square plus y square plus 2x is equal to 0 are root 3 comma 0 first option, second option root 3 comma 2 root 3, third option 2 root 3 comma 0 and fourth option 2 root 3 comma 3 root 3. Now we have to solve this question. Solution for this one. Now C1 center for first circle, that is 3 comma 0, and C2 center for second circle minus 1 comma 0, and R1 that is 3, here R2 is 1. Now distance between centers C1 C2 is equal to D, that is the distance between these two is 4. So now length of direct common tangent, formula root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square, that is square root of, what is D square? D square is D is 4, that's why 16 minus R1 minus R2 whole square, that is 4, that's why it is 2 root 3 root 12. That's why length of direct common tangent is 2 root 3. Now length of transverse common tangent, root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square, that is square root of, here it is 16, here 3 plus 1 4, 16 minus 16, it is 0. That's why 2 root 3 comma 0, that is third option. That's all. Okay. So this is the very, very important concept. The more number of questions depends upon this concept. Are you clear? That's why lengths of direct common tangents, square root of D square minus R1 minus R2 whole square, length of transverse common tangent root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. According to those concepts here, the problem. That's why this is third option. Okay, right. That's all.